Hello to Rhulani Insights. What you have just seen here, a broken walkway with a cable going there through. So we are in the process right now in May 2024, so that is a while ago, of putting finally wired line to the guest rooms for the internet. So I'm showing you a bit more. So where does this now continue? You see I'm close to. This is our family suite. If once you come at Rhulani or a family, maybe you're accommodated here. So this is now already the pipe with the cable. So that goes from the main lodge area to all the rooms. Yeah, and here we are still in the process of installing it. Here you see the cables that then go in. Yeah, so why we are doing that? Until now we had a very good signal, incoming signal at Rhulani for internet of 50 megabit per second download and upload, which is quite good. But then we had the challenge that we actually lost a lot of it when it then came to the transmissions to the rooms, because this was done through Wi-Fi. And here in the bush with all the plants and bushes obstructing the view, there was not always then the stability in the room. So now that we have really a wire ensuring that this signal comes safe and strong to your room, that should be a clear upgrade. So when you come here, of course you should enjoy the bush, but if you have to work, or if you want to upload immediately your videos, or if you want to see something on YouTube, I think you will enjoy the very strong internet in your room. Okay, from a maintenance week in May 2024 from Rhulani, that was Rhulani Insights. Bye bye.